friend, mom and dad, auntie. Today I'll show you how to do the factory reset any type of Mac computer, Air Pro, any Apple computers. Alright, first of all, what you have to do, make sure your plug is on or you have 80% charge on your computers, and then you have to be log out all of them apps in order to factory reset for your safety. First, I'll do to log out. I'll sign out from the iTunes, and once I done, and then I'll do to log out from my computers. And if you have the email, you can also log out from the email. And then once you're done, you have to restart your computers in order to factory reset. And there's one thing to mention: there is no any other way to erase your or delete your computer's data. So there's only one another option you can do it, which is you can delete or erase your data by downloading one of apps, which I will cover up in next video. Alright, let's do the restart. And then keep holding Command and R at the same time. Command and R at the same time until screen come up. So just let you know, the factory reset, you can do it for two reasons. Either you sell it your computer, or either you will reset your old setups and deleting erase all your data. Be patient, my computer is quite slow. The reason it's taking a while. Alright, once you see this screen, and then release your finger from a command, take off your finger from Command and R, right? Okay, so what I have to do now? You have to be, let me turn on my camera. So you have to be click on disk utility, and the screen will come up, your voice based system, and then Apple disk image or Apple SSD. And then if you want to erase your data from the computers, you can click on erase, but I'm not gonna do this because I'm not resetting my computer. I'm just showing you. Once you erase, you've done the erase, and then you click on cancel, and then you reinstall the Mac OS. And this is all you have to do for the factory reset. There is nothing else to do, but make sure once you do the factory reset, you have a backup all of your data on your computer or somewhere else. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please thumbs up or make a comment. I'll reply you soon I can. And also I'll make another video, how do you delete some folder from the Mac by downloading apps. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much, guys.